Hello everyone, welcome back to Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install Facebook in your laptop. So now what you need to do to download and install the Facebook in your laptop is you need to click on the start button over here. From there you need to click open the Microsoft Store. There you can see the Microsoft Store. If you cannot find it over here, you can click on the search bar and there you type in Microsoft Store. And it will pop up the search result on here and you just need to click upon this. Once the store is open, you need to click on the search icon over here, click on it, and there you click on Facebook. Then tap on search. This will provide you the search result for the Facebook application. You can see the app over here, you click on it. Now here you need to click on get to download the application Facebook. You can see the downloading process over here. It's currently in the downloading process. And with that, the Facebook downloading process has been completed. Now you can just click on launch over here and the application will launch on your laptop. So this is how you can download and install the Facebook application on your laptop through the Microsoft Store. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for notification and updates. Thank you for watching till the very end.